And then the second thing, we have to remove the speaker from here because the bolt of the side mirror is this way, the top here. You have to remove that one and then get the access to remove the bolts. Sorry, nut. Okay. That one also is screw. Disconnect the socket first. Grab it. And here I have really small push pin plastic. This one. Okay. So one thing, you have to put the window up. Bring the key and then put the window up. And then they did the repainted this side mirror after we removed the old wrap. Paint came off, we need to sanding and then make it flat, or maybe owner wants to repaint it again. Okay. So actually taking the video to show you guys where the bolt is, and then this is the connector, the cable for the side mirror. First cut this I forgot the zip tie, and then disconnect it and then make it ready. Usually because this line from here coming up to the side mirror, so later when you want to put it back, it's hard to bring it in the right position. So we just with some shoelace or the zip tie, or for here is really tight. For the other side we using the fishing line because it's really slim and also strong. So later when you want to put it back, you can get the channel and then line coming down really easy. Okay, remove this one, like the sponge. So that is actually hard to show you guys how we can remove the knots. That's why with the phone and then maybe light, I can show you guys. Okay, very good. 3 knots, 10 millimeter. So you have to, with the long tools, I'm using the box. So I'm gonna go other side because I need to hold the side mirror for him. So you guys see where the ball location is that. And okay. Otherwise you have to lay down and then see that flow can remove it. But I think this way is much better. And then also I made the video for how removing that door handle or door latch. This is this car and then Audi R8. 100% is same and really tricky. Most of the time possible to break the small plastic key. So I did take the video to show you guys how to remove that. Show me the nuts. Yeah, 3 of that nuts, 10 millimeter. Don't be hurry, really relax. We're going to wrap this car with the Avery energetic yellow until he opens it. Let me show you guys the film color. That's really nice color. This car owner, I did the wrap to his i8, same color, and then he wants to do his Lambo also same one, and then maybe his R8 too. So you're going to the last one. Okay, for that one you really need the one person to help you. Other car like the Porsche, one person, me usually do it alone, but this car, because the bolt is on the really the top of the door, and then you have no space to in the same time holding the side mirror and then open the nuts. Okay, there you go. The side mirror got loosened. Next step is you have to helping the cable to coming out. That's why we with the fishing line make it tight. Help the cable to come out. Look at that, how they wrap it. Slow from that inside. Helping the cable coming out. Inside is so tight, and then when you got here from close the rubber, this rubber you can open it, and then you can see that cable, and then help it to coming out. Sorry, maybe my video quality not good because I have to hold in the side mirror and also help him in taking video too. Okay. More. This part is really kind of headache. Army, grab it from here. Okay. you see that this line here, the only space it can come out. Those are keep sticking there. So with this line, later when you want to put the side mirror back, you can find a way easy, and then no problem to putting back. That's easy way. Okay, cut the fishing line. Okay, so guys, this is how to remove the side mirror of Lamborghini Gallardo. Look at that paint, is really nothing. So I hope you guys like the video, and please, if you like it, and then push the like button and subscribe my channel, and I will be happy to answer your guys any commented. Thank you for watching. See you next time.